How to delete a course on Duolingo. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Take It Simple. In this tutorial video, I am going to show you a easy and simple steps on how to delete a course on Duolingo. Open your Duolingo application and check whether there are multiple courses on your application or not. If you do not have selected multiple courses, you can't delete a course. After that, click on the avatar head and go to your settings by pressing on the gear-shaped icon in the upper right corner. Now you will see your profile info, from which you have to scroll down and search for Manage Course. Tap on it and you can delete a course as your preference. Click on Remove button and again confirm it by pressing on Remove. And this is how easily you can remove a course on Duolingo application. I hope this video was informative for you. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more informative contents. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.